Hi, my name's Ross Roberts. I'm a senior lecturer in sport and exercise psychology in the School of Human and Behavioural Sciences, and I'm also the college director of postgraduate research in the College of Human Sciences at the university. I've been learning Welsh now for about 12 years. I started learning because I live in a Welsh-speaking community and I've got two kids, and my kids are both fluent Welsh speakers and both effortlessly bilingual, and they did and have done all their schooling through the medium of Welsh. So I wanted to learn because I wanted to be able to help them. I also wanted to be able to speak Welsh in the community and to be part of that, just because the Welsh language is such a prominent part of where we live, and so I wanted to be able to use it. The best thing about learning Welsh, I think, is the ability to use it really in the community where I live, and to use it in the workplace, and also to use it with the children. It's fascinating. It's a great language to learn and a great language to be able to speak, and it allows you just to really feel part of this amazing place that we live in. I've also found it really helpful to be able to use it with students as well, and particularly new students who are settling in, just to help them sort of feel at home, particularly when students might have concerns or worries or lack the confidence to start conversations in English. Just to be able to start things in Welsh is often really helpful. In terms of top tips, I would just say have a go and try. There's no point learning a language if you're not going to try and use it. You will make mistakes, absolutely, and whenever I speak Welsh I make mistakes on a daily or hourly basis, and so if you go in with the mindset of you're going to make mistakes, I think it's fine, and just try and just try with small things. Just starting conversations or finishing conversations through Welsh is a great place to start. It's worth trying to find someone who's up for speaking Welsh with you. Particularly often older members of the community are really willing to do that, and so trying just to start conversations with some people through the medium of Welsh. Tell them that you're a learner, and it's great, and you'll be surprised that actually how much you are able to say, and as you learn more, how much more you're able to use. The way that Welsh is taught is great. The emphasis is very much on speaking and using it, and so you'll be surprised how much, as you learn, that you're actually able to use. So really, I think the only thing I can suggest is just to really just have a go and use it.